how to change the incoming calls display to either a banner or full screen on your iPhone. The guaranteed way to get into these settings is going into the settings itself. And once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see apps on your iPhone right here. And now you are going to look for that phone dialer app, which is the default one that your iPhone comes with. So go all the way, keep going down until you reach to P, which is the phone right here. Now, as you enter here, you are going to see these different settings. And basically, you're going to look for the one that says incoming calls right there. And a single tap will take you here, and you can choose with the banner. The banner is going to basically take up a little portion of your display, but if you wanted to take the entire view of your phone, go to full screen. It's going to show up and cover up your entire screen. Okay, now whether you have banner or full screen, once you come out of the call itself, you can still navigate your phone and see the apps and everything you're viewing, and it wouldn't cover up everything. So depending on which one you go with, you'll just have to either come out of it or just continue navigating your phone once you're in that call, and it won't block your view. Like and sub.